What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. We're doing a demonstration, of unboxing, and the setup of the iWorld wireless audio car kit, hands-free calls, and streaming music. It's Bluetooth compatible. All you have to do is plug into the audio jack. We have an aux, so this will work on this vehicle. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's wireless streaming music, hands-free phone calls. Through your car or home stereo. You connect it to any 3.5 millimeter audio input jack. You got Bluetooth, you got microphone, you got rechargeable battery, and it's a USB charging cable included. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Okay.
And it was actually found at Walmart.
And yeah, you get this at Walmart for like what, $9.99? $9.99 at Walmart. So here's the USB-C cable. All right, you want to keep that in the car with you. Instructions. If you don't know how to use these devices, they got instructions. Also, you want to get the device. All right, so here we go. This is the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Okay, this is the device you want to plug it to. I accidentally turned it on. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get it into the system. So you just plug it into your aux if you got one of your media player. All right. And let me see. Okay, we got the light on. Now we got the Note 20 Ultra. We're gonna go ahead and find the Bluetooth. Power that on. Okay, there it goes. Trying to find it now. All right, so it's blinking red and blue, meaning it's trying to get paired to the devices that we're trying to connect it to.
It's right there, iWorld.
iWorld.
Yeah, down the bottom.
All right, tap on that. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with iWorld. Okay. We'll tap on OK.
Keep going in and out of focus.
You got to tap on the screen.
I am.
Okay. Okay, so it says connected for calls, audio, 80% battery remaining. All right, let's go through the settings. Okay. All right, now let's go check out.
That wallpaper.
Let's go check out YouTube. Do some non-audio, non-copyright. Yeah. There we go. Let's see if we'll play. Bye. Let's get that going.
Okay. I have to turn it on. Turn on the radio. Put it on Audix.
Okay, so it is working, guys. Yeah. Put your phone. Get them out.
If he can get it in. If he can get it in.
That's how you do it, guys. All right. That's a demonstration and setup. It's not that hard. You just plug it in, unbox it, plug it in, set it up, turn it on. Make sure you go to the Bluetooth settings and find your music you want to play and rock out. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. We out.